Good morning. This is just a quick update video for Marduk because I gotta go to work in about 15 minutes. But I was doing a little tweak and thought I would share it with you. Now I was looking at this wheel down here, and what was happening was I didn't tighten on the bolt enough for the steering actuator. So every time I would go to turn left or this way, the wheel would get all loose and it wouldn't turn all the way, which would cause some problems with it not moving forward. And now what happened was the bolt ended up getting bent. There you go. You can see as I spin it around that it's not exactly straight. And that is why there was a bit of a issue going forward and left. I mean, it started turning right okay. In one of the test videos, it just didn't turn left okay. So hopefully now this is on nice and tight. It should fix the issue. But unfortunately, I don't have the time to do a test run right now. You can also see that I used a car jack to jack up the mech, so use what you got. I mean, the mech isn't all that heavy. It's maybe about 300 pounds or so, including the engine back there, and let's face it, I'm not lifting that up, I'm just pivoting on the back. So it doesn't weigh as much as you think, which is the hilarious part. And the most substantial weight that gets added to it is either the engine, which is about 40 pounds, or the pilot, which is me, which is 165 pounds. And you can see Marduk took off his hood because, you know, it's pretty warm. Look how happy he is. It's the face of a smiling angel. Look at that. Aw. Makes you want to pinch his cheeks. So, that's all for today. I just got to put away my flashlight and put my jack in my car in case something goes wrong with it. Because, let's face it, that's an old car. So, that's all for today. If you enjoy my goofy content, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.